What's up, guys? Today we're talking about testosterone and 3 key things to think about if you're trying to optimize your testosterone levels. If you're a male, 25 and older, heck, if you're in your early 20s, this will apply to you because, in all honesty, testosterone is something we want to start thinking about from a young age. We want to start optimizing it with good habits, good routines early on, so that we're not addressing poor testosterone, poor health, poor body composition later in life. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. What's up, guys? Josiah Novak, thetruetransformation.com, where I help men 30 to 65 optimize all parts of life using health and fitness. Today we're talking about testosterone, and I want to jump right into the first thing you need to do if you haven't already, something you need to make a part of your yearly calendar. Every 6 months, you need to get blood work done. You need to go to your primary care physician or a reputable doctor in your area who can help you take a look at what's going on from a hormonal perspective, from a health perspective, so you can start measuring your health markers. What gets measured gets managed. If you're just guessing and you're wondering, I don't know if I'm in good health, poor health, I feel good, sometimes I feel like crap, just take control and start getting your blood work done every 6 months. Trust me, it's important. Make it a part of your routine. So the first thing I want to talk about today when it comes to optimizing testosterone is your nutrition choices. So I know it's really easy to follow the if it fits your macros crowd these days. I did it for a long time. And I started to realize that, yes, I can totally fit any kind of food into my diet, but is it the smartest thing in the world to be eating Pop-Tarts and Snickers just because it fits my calories? Absolutely not. It started to make me feel pretty crappy every time I would eat highly processed junk food, whether it was chips, Snickers bars, Kit Kat bars, a bunch of ice cream, stuff that, once in a blue moon is totally fine. But if we're starting to look at our diet and we see that a lot of the food we're taking in is just full of highly processed sugar, full of additives and preservatives and corn-based ingredients, it's not the best for our gut health. Our gut health and the microbiome that are in our gut are really important for optimizing your immune system, your clarity in your brain, your energy, and also, yes, your testosterone, your health levels. Your ability to live a healthy lifestyle is impacted tremendously by what you eat. So my suggestion is simply this: make 80 to 90% of the foods you eat healthy, whole, as close to natural as possible foods. Lean meats, fish, things like chicken, turkey, salmon, lean ground beef, steaks, eggs, potatoes, fruits and vegetables, shrimp, you name it. You know what I'm talking about. It's the healthy stuff. Make meals that taste good using primarily those ingredients. If you can do that, trust me, your health and your gut health will improve drastically. And you'll start to see a noticeable difference in energy, how you feel, and also, let's be honest, how you look. All right, everything's going to look and feel better when you're eating healthy food. Tip number 2 is about body composition. So if you're over, let's call it 15% body fat as a man, and let's say you're in the 20s, 20% or above, you need to seriously consider getting leaner. And look, this isn't just about aesthetics. Yes, it's great to have abdominal definition. It's pretty cool to have a six-pack if you can get there. But what's most important is reducing overall inflammation in visceral fat, which can impact your health and testosterone levels. I'm not saying here telling you got to have an 8-pack. I think every male should experience what it's like to have visible abs so that they feel empowered. They feel like 100% of their best self. Stop playing small. Chase your big physique goals. Don't think just because you were born with less than perfect genetics that you can't obtain a really impressive physique. You totally can. It translates into all parts of life too. When you're taking care of your body and you look good, your confidence is going to be up. You're going to totally make more money because you're more focused in your career or in your business. You're going to have better relationships with your spouse, with your friends, because you're just going to be in a better mood. I mean, it can't help but translate over into all parts of your life. So why wouldn't you get in great shape? But ultimately, when we're talking about health and testosterone, we need to make sure that we're getting rid of that visceral, dangerous fat that can cause long-term health implications. Plus, high amounts of inflammation all the time in your body can lead to issues down the road. So get your body fat down to a healthy range. I would say anywhere from 10 to 15% for most men is a good target. And let's just see how you look once you get down to that range. If you need to get leaner for aesthetic purposes, great. If you feel perfect at 12 or 13% or 14%, great. Stay there. Just get lean. That's the most important thing. All right, tip number 3. Let's make training with weights non-negotiable. Stop goofing off with the things that are like, cardio-based, exercise bands. Like, those things have their time and place for sure. But honestly, like, you can train with body weight in a way that's resistance-based, or you can hit the gym or grab some dumbbells for your house, grab a barbell for your house. Start building resistance training into your week as a non-negotiable part of the day or week. Because in all honesty, building muscle, or at least keeping the muscle that you have and using the muscle tissue on your body, is going to lead to more of an optimized environment for testosterone. If you're not training with weights and resistance, you're ultimately missing a huge piece of the puzzle. I believe every man out there should train with resistance just to battle the aging process, keep your joints healthy, keep your muscle tissue healthy. And yeah, you get the side effect of looking great. I mean, that's part of the game. That's awesome. You're going to be stronger. You're going to have better posture. Your breathing is going to improve because you're able to hold your diaphragm up a little bit higher. You're going to feel better because training with weights is a stress relief. So build it into your plan. Make it a non-negotiable part of your week. Guys, I made a lot of this easy for you. I actually have a free guide. You can go check it out. It's in the description of this video. It's just a link. It's called fitdadbod.com. It's a free guide for guys 30 to 65 who want to optimize testosterone, lose fat, build muscle, and improve all parts of their life in the process. It's free. It's a good place to start. I would jump into that, grab the guide, and you'll get a whole game plan for just optimizing everything and looking great at the same time. Hey, if you made it this far in the video, really appreciate it. Be sure to just hit the like button and drop a comment below. What is your number one question when it comes to testosterone, men's health? What are you looking to accomplish, or what are you struggling with? I'd love to help you out. I'll totally interact with you in the comments if you leave one. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next video. If you want to go visit our site and learn more about our coaching program for men, you can go to thetruetransformation.com/coaching. In the meantime, my name is Josiah Novak. I'm the owner of thetruetransformation.com, and I will talk to you on the next video. Have a great one. See you.